everybody. I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's our little yellow belly slider turtle. He's actually hanging out in the bed over here today. But Stephanie was actually hanging around camp today and saw Jake and the guys getting ready to go get some firewood. And Jake was doing something pretty interesting. What did you catch him doing, sweetie?
Well, we always see him sharpening his blades and taking care of his tools, and he's a really good example to watch. And so I tried to get some footage of him handling his saw before he went out and found some wood for the day. And he actually had his oil in a ketchup bottle, and I thought that was very nifty, and I was like, oh, that's smart of you. And he's like, it's to contain the flow, and it goes in there nice and neatly, and he would rather store it that way than in regular oil container. So it's
a pretty cool little hack. So if you have to actually add oil to the gas of your small little motorized motors, like, you know, your chainsaw or your lawnmower, maybe clean out a ketchup bottle and fill it full of oil, and then you can just squirt in and just the amount. You'll see what he does in here in just a second. I thought it was interesting, and Steph did too. So let's check it out.
Getting ready to go collect firewood.
Gas? Oil.
Look at you putting it in a ketchup bottle. You're so smart.
It comes out so nice. It stops when you want. After you cut the oil for the chainsaw.
So smart. You're a good example, Jake.
Yeah. Ready to go for get some more wood.
If we didn't have you, we'd be cold in camp. Well, we hope you enjoyed that clip and maybe even learned something too. But in the end, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's Travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.